So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial I want to show you how you can run the benchmark test on your laptop. Now in order to do it, just simply open any of the browser you have. For example, if I open the Google Chrome browser, now here in the Google Chrome browser you just need to search benchmark. Once you type it, just simply open this first website, that is userbenchmark.com, and it will ask you to install a very basic software that will compile your CPU, GPU, SSD, HDD, RAM and USB performance and give you a benchmark score. You can easily freely download this PC test software, and it will take less than a minute to give you a benchmark score of your system. Here you're gonna see it even tells you about the latest hardware tech that are available in the market. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.